Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I think I saw a tire in the camping stuff Rogie brought.
What's that?
I'm sorry, Rogie. I ran out of...
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
Pit stop?
Percy! It's okay, boy.
Neither one of them has a single day.
Oh, I'm gonna fix that!
Of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste. Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite!
Actually, this is my good side here.
It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win, friendship. Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will...
Let's go!
Machine Dragon Fireball!
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes.
Dozo, come with me, please, sir.
But I'm gonna miss my plane.
Right this way.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's the way.
Crop over a second.
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought I'd
Cinders and ashes. How am I going to puff through? The Sodor Warbler has been spotted.
You're in a heap of trouble.
Yes, I I wanted to help Farmer Trotter. I wanted to help the visitors, but I haven't helped anybody.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with mine...
Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me...
Get right for food!
Soy el campeón Chick Hicks con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo, Jackson Storm. Otro...
What?
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it in!
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that...
Bet there's...
this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Sneak through that window!
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Go!
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice. Fellow citizens,